In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster, reigning over the XG Gold robot on my Exness demo for months. And zounds, it's gilded plus 13.37% gains with the panache of a parodic golden goose. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that robots gold without the rust, and after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this XG Gold robot sovereign of shinies. The zip folder for the XG Gold robot disrobes with ducal decorum, a brisk right-click, and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's Experts Enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the XG Gold robot to XAUUSD's M5 Proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLS, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse my FXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the XG Gold robot parades its plus 13.37% absolute gain escapade on Exness demo, ballooning a $1,000 deposit into $1,133.50 balance with $133.50 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.06% chuckles, monthly 10.17% guffaws. Equity curve a bemused ascent lampooning manual traders flatlines despite some volatility spikes. Profitability at high level, meaning trades winners comfortably above the 60% benchmark for gold specialists that ride institutional flows. Average win? A juicy pips per pop, while losses are reined in thanks to the XG Gold robot's built-in stable trade frequency, built-in stop-loss and take-profit logic, low CPU usage with stable execution, and fixed/dynamic lot sizing options that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net profit steady. That's the kind of edge that compounds reliably on XAUUSD without overtrading. Drawdowns only 38.90% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity recovers swiftly, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor healthy and covers everything nicely, but for every dollar risked, you're steadily pulling in more. Commissions? Minimal impact on my broker, and the expectancy per trade is positive enough to handle them easy. Hold times reasonable for M5 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph barely dipping. It's not flashy fireworks, but it's thriving quietly, giving me peace of mind and time to enjoy life instead of glued to charts. If you're after a bot that delivers low-stress, consistent monthly gains on the yellow metal, this XG Gold robot is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the XG Gold robot on MT4 with ticks from recent data and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000. Total net profit $100.65. Gross profits edging out losses for that clean edge. Trades balanced. Win rate strong overall. Average trade positive with max drawdown low. Quick scalps? No drama. Perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the XG Gold robot has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting XG Gold robot strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.